Good morning, everyone. Good Sunday morning. Today, product I will talk about is Motherfucker from Italian Barber. So that was requested actually on the French channel. Somebody wanted me to talk about that. That's what we're gonna do today. The razor I'm gonna use the Timeless Bronze. The blade in it is Treat Platinum. Okay, it's brand new. I just put it in. Finally, I'm getting better result with the Timeless. We're going to talk about that. And the brush, we're going to use Yeki Mysterious Space. Okay, 2-band Badger. Then just give me a few minutes. I'll go wet the face, load the brush, and I'll be right back. Okay, 20-second load. The brush. Okay, the brush was ring. I pull all the water out. Italian barber product. I like to go with a dryer brush. The soap tallow version was different in it. There's Fuller's Earth in it. Clay. It's supposed to help for lubrication. Also, well, some people claim that clay, okay, is good for the skin. Not that Italian barber are claiming that, but in the dermatological circle, well, some people say so. The scent on it, okay, the scent is special. It's a fresh scent. Okay, it's fresh. There is a little bit of citrus in it, but you see also a lot of amber, lavenders, not lavender, sorry, vanilla. Okay, the real notes on it. Got down my little paper. It's pretty long. Top notes: bergamot, anise, and pineapple. Mid note: jasmine, violet, and the base notes: amber musk, sandalwood, vanilla, tonka bean, patchouli, and tria. Okay, there's a lot of stuff in there. Is there something that comes out more of anything else? Not really. It's maybe the vanilla a little bit, but the citrus in it, the top and mid note, okay, kind of give it a cool or a fresh type scent. Okay, the razor, like I said, Timeless Bronze with the Treat Platinum. First pass with the grain. The scent strength, it's not that strong. It's probably a 5. It's really middle of the pack. Is it similar to something else? No, it's to me, I can't really put something that smells similar to this. Also Bing. Okay, it's a Razorock tallow version, tallow formula. Although it's tallow, it probably doesn't deal super well with water. Okay, and a first pass. Shave is okay. The timeless, I'm still not getting, okay, very close shave with it. I stopped cutting myself, which is a plus, so it's a good start, but I still don't get, I can't get BBS with it, okay? With the type of hair the type of beard I have, it's not gonna happen. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go do pass, okay, pass number 2, I'm gonna go do that off camera and I'll come back for pass number 3. In the meanwhile, I'm gonna put up the ingredients so you can see the ingredients that are in the soap. Okay, give me 5-10 minutes and I'll be right back. Okay, second pass is done. We're getting there slowly. Okay, third application. Okay, 30 seconds load on that brush was more than enough. Tons of lather. Now in some reviews, I watch on the motherfucker, a lot of people are saying that they don't need aftershave after using this. It's a great soap base, and it doesn't do it for me. Okay. For a Razorock product, yes, the post shave is good, but okay, you still need an aftershave, I think. But again, okay, it's my opinion on that one. Your experience may be different than mine. Okay, third pass against the grain. Like I say, the razor is working pretty good. It's doing a good job. It doesn't give me something very close. Gives me an acceptable shave, but no more than that. By the way, there won't be a video next weekend, okay? I'm gonna be traveling, I'm gonna be away from home. I won't be there. Then there's probably there might be, well, there will be one more video before I stop for the summer. Yeah, you see I'm trying there and there's still, I can't feel hair there, that the razor's not picking up. Again, it's onesies and twosies, it's no big deal, but I was expecting a little more about the razor. Okay, the soap, there's good glide with it. Okay, there's good glide, and as long as the skin remains wet, okay, you feel the glide is good. Residual slickness is there. Protection is there too. This is it. Okay, end of third pass. The soap has done its job. Okay, the skin is still fairly slippery. It's nice. I really like that scent. It's different. Okay, it's hard to explain what it is because I haven't smelled anything like this. Okay, it's totally it's on its own. It's a scent on its own. Italian Barber did a good job on that scent. I'm gonna go rinse the face and I'll come back for the conclusion. Okay, just stay right there. Okay, shave is done. The aftershave, we're gonna go matching aftershave, motherfucker, again, from Italian Barber, Razorock. The scent on the aftershave, when you put it on, first thing that comes out, the pineapple, bergamot, and anise comes right out. It's gonna take 4 or 5, well, maybe 10 minutes of dry down. Then after that, it's good. After that, the aftershave will match the soap a little more. It's a nice scent. It's really nice. It's refreshing. I really like it. Well, that's it. Conclude the shave today. Was it the best? No. Okay, the razor, and I know it. Okay, razor is not super efficient, and that's all it is. Okay, there's a couple of spots there I could have done better, but we're just gonna take it for what it is. The shave today I use, okay, motherfucker, soap from Razorock, Italian Barber. It's nice. Okay, it's a nice different scent. Probably in the soft cream formula, it's probably their best soap, their best soap base. I don't know if the clay has to do anything in it or the Fuller's Earth. Okay, but it's probably, like I said, their best base. Razor, timeless browns with the blade. Okay, blade was first used Treat Platinum. Nice blade, finally. Those are the only blade that I can use in that razor for not cutting myself, which is good. The brush, Yeki, Mysterious Space, okay, 2-bend Badger. It's a really nice brush. Quite impressed by it actually. The quality of the knot and how soft and nice it is. And the aftershave, motherfucker, matching the soap. With this, well, that's it. Conclude the shave today. I hope you guys are gonna have lots of good shave this week, and I hope to see you again next weekend, okay, for the last review of the season. And I hope to see you there. Until then, have a great week and enjoy all your shave. Okay guys, bye.